The building is Grade 1 listed, and we have a lot of conservation requirements on how we can install surfaces, so it's very important for us not to damage the structure of the building. So we've gone to great lengths to ensure that we've maintained the integrity of the structure and we haven't made any damage. So
the task of installing cabling and lighting in a building of this nature is always very, very challenging as a contractor. We have large iron upright structure which the building roof is supported by, and we needed to use magnets because it was the only way to fix to the building due to not being able to drill into the structure. We ended up using 3,000 magnets to install the light fittings and fixing of the cable throughout the building.
The fixtures we installed into the columns, we've gone for 2 luminaire solutions. So we've got an RGB colour change luminaire for the department, so they can then change the feel of the museum when they're holding functions. And then we've also got just a white light, so when the museum's open to the public, we don't really want to have a disco as such. It just needs to be in keeping with the building, so it's just highlighting the architectural features.
We use luminaires from Concord, Zumtobau, Bega and Limburg. Before, when we first visited the project to do our site surveys, it was basically dark. You couldn't almost see the hand in front of your face in certain areas where they were only at 1 lux. So to be part of a project which enhances the building in such a dramatic way for all the visitors, it's just a privilege to be involved in such a brilliant project.
There's a lot of detail up on the roof which you would never see, and because it's been never artificially lit before and we've only seen it in daylight, you lose a lot of what's actually up there. So there's a lot of detail which was installed back in 1860 which no one's ever seen. We've lit the roof in a very sensitive way, and we can now pick out the detail, and the whole building comes to life now, and the whole ambience changes, and something we're very proud of.